Hello, friends. So we're going to get started on our second part of math for this week. So in the first part, we had just kind of reviewed what we've learned with addition and subtraction, um, and the different strategies that we can use for that. Okay, so we're going to get into this week word problems. Okay, so here is our learning target for today, and let's go ahead and say this one. I can use different strategies to solve addition and subtraction word problems. Okay, so just like we've learned that there are different strategies when solving addition and subtraction problems, there's also strategies that you can use when solving word problems. Okay, so we can draw a picture, we can use manipulatives, we can use counters, anything that you have at home. You can use your fingers, just like we've talked about before. Okay, so any of those things you can do when you're solving these word problems. All right, so to start, we're going to watch this video to get us ready, and there are some word problems in here, so we're going to practice these together.
Every kid should know that adding means to put together.
Remember, adding, put together.
Subtracting, that means to take away.
Take away.
Let's think about that. Add means put together. Subtract means take away. Plus means put together. Minus means take away. We're going to say a story today about adding together. Once upon a time, there were 3 frogs. Then 2 more came to join them. How many frogs were there all together? Let's see. We can count all those frogs that came along.
Let's count them.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, so
3 plus 2 equals 5.
When I add, I put frogs together. Why don't we try a subtraction story this time? Once upon a time, there were 9 chickens. One
9 chickens.
went away.
Let's do this one with our
Yeah, they
fingers.
put them in a box and they took them away.
One chicken
How
went
many
away.
chickens were left over on the farm? Well,
So
I
9
know I started
went
with
away.
9 chickens. And I know if I subtract 1, that means I'm going to go 1 number before 9. Let's see what that number is. Oh, that's right, that's the number 8.
8.
So
9 minus 1 equals 8.
When I subtract, I take chickens away.
Add means put together.
Subtract means take away. Plus means put together. Minus means take away. So let's try to get this straight now. Addition means getting more of something. Subtraction means getting less of something.
Less. Take away.
Why don't we sing about it one more time?
Help me.
Add means put together. Subtract means take away. Plus means put together. Minus means take away.
Good job, friends. All right. Let's get back to our stuff here. All right. Okay. So now we're going to get into doing some word problems of our own. Okay. So we just did some in that video using pictures. We're going to do the same thing here. Okay. And remember that when you're doing these word problems, to figure out the answer, we can figure out the answer any way that we've done before. We can count on our fingers. We can use cubes. We already have a picture drawn here, so we can use that too, okay? So let me get this pointer back. Let's read this one together. There were 3 pigs on the farm. Soon 4 sheep came to join them. How many animals are there on the farm now? So when I'm doing this, I always like to read it 2 times so I can make sure that I'm getting everything correct. So let's read it one more time. There were 3 pigs on the farm. Soon 4 sheep came to join them. How many animals are there on the farm now? So let's count the pigs. 1, 2, 3. All right, so now we know that the 4 sheep are coming to join them. So we're going to put the pigs and the sheep together. That means we are adding, okay? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's time for us to count these animals all together. Are you all ready? All right, you gotta help me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, we can check it on our fingers too. We had 3 pigs and then 4 sheep came to join them. Remember, we can count on our nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We were adding them together. So our problem should be 3 plus 4 equals 7. That's right. Let's see. There we go. 3, help me read it. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Awesome job, guys. Next one. Let's read this one together. There were 5 red fish and 5 yellow fish swimming in the water. How many fish are there altogether? So here I can see my 5 red fish. I can see my 5 yellow. You'll have to excuse the one that's hiding down here behind my camera. And we've got to count all of these fish together. All right, so we're going to put the red fish and the yellow fish together. We're not taking anything away. That means we are adding, right? Okay, so let's go through and count them. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fish all together. Let's check it on our fingers. 5 red fish, 5 yellow fish. It looks like 10, but let's count it just to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. We got it right. You'll have to excuse the doggies barking. They hear a rooster out there in the yard. Oh, and there's our problem up there. Let's read it. Ready? 5 plus 5 equals 10. Very nice. All right, so we're going to switch to doing some subtraction word problems now, okay? So remember, with subtraction, that means we're going to take away. That's right. Okay, so here's my subtraction word problem. Miss Mingus found 7 flowers. She picked 4 of them. How many flowers are left? So let's make sure I have 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to pick 4 of them. So if I'm picking them, they're not going to be there anymore. That means I'm taking them away. Let's take them away. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so how many flowers do you see left, guys? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. And I would also like us to check this one on our fingers. So let's hold up 7 fingers, okay? I picked 4 of them. That means I need to take 4 of these fingers away, not add any more fingers. Take 4 away. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers do I have left? 1, 2, 3. All right, let's see if we're right. Ooh, look. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Awesome job. Okay, one more. This one is about Miss Feldwebel. So it says Miss Feldwebel made 10 cupcakes. She dropped 6 cupcakes on the floor. Oh no. How many cupcakes does she have now? All right, so let's read it one more time, figure out what we're doing. Miss Feldwebel made 10 cupcakes. She dropped 6 cupcakes on the floor. How many cupcakes does she have now? All right, so let's count and make sure we see her 10 cupcakes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now she's going to drop 6 of them on the floor. If she drops them on the floor, are we going to eat them? No, that's gross, right? She would have to throw them in the trash. So they're going to disappear. We're going to take them away from the 10. All right? Let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many cupcakes do you see left there, friends? 4. That's right. Let's check it on our fingers. 10. And we are going to take away 6. Okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many cupcakes? 4, which matches what we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this problem would be 10 minus 6 equals 4. Okay? Now, going to be your turn, okay? You get to now create your own word problem. You saw me do word problems with lots of different things. You can use food, you can use animals, you can use toys, you can use clothes, anything you want to do a word problem, okay? I would like you to create one addition and one subtraction word problem. Okay, so that's 2 problems altogether. You can draw pictures. Like I had pictures in here. You can draw pictures. You can use real life objects. You can use anything that you have around your house, okay? So you may need to have someone help you write down your problem and your equation, okay? So, and when you're done, I want you to take a picture or you can take a video of you saying your problem to post on your class dojo once you're finished, okay? All right, let me know if you have any questions. I cannot wait to see what word problems you come up with.